Hello everyone, please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications. One of the last new model for 2023, the Madmike Drift Attack car. A new 2024 second Hot Wheels mail-in car in a candy red paint job and with a 4-spoke chrome wheels, with a Goodyear and Hot Wheels decals on sides. So check out the sneak peek of the car. A Hot Wheels Bolivia factory set, 25 premium cars, and will be in Walmart exclusive. The retail price is $210 US. Let's check out new upcoming models by M2 series Coca-Cola cars. A 1998 GMC Sierra 1500 4x4 with its chase version, 750 pieces, limited production worldwide. A 1976 Ford Bronco with a chase version. And a 1967 Dodge A100 panel van with its chase version. Our second set from M2 is Auto Haulers. A 1973 GMC Sierra 3500 and a 1975 GMC Sierra Grand 15, a 1964 Ford Econoline van and a 1932 Ford two-door sedan, a 1966 Dodge L600 COE and a 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda, and a chase version of a 1966 Dodge LC600 COE and a 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Let's check out another series by M2, or Autothentics. A 1941 Willys Coupe Gasser, a 1968 Mercury Cougar 390, a 1988 Ford Mustang GT, a 1971 Dodge Charger RT440 6-pack has a rusted model, a 1969 Pontiac GTO, a 1993 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 and with its chase version. Let's check out new upcoming models by Matchbox for 2024 from various lines as an American cars. So check out the sneak peek of a complete new upcoming models. A Autobots models presents a Toyota Land Cruiser LC79 pickup. Color of the cars are metallic red, sand and white. Limited up to 800 each color. Material made from Diecast. Releasing this month. LJM Models presents a Bugatti Veyron. Color of the cars are Ceramic Dragon Glow in a Dark, Purple Carbon and a Chameleon Carbon. Limited up to 299 each color. Material made from resin. Releasing between December 2023 and January 2024. A Mini Station Models presents a RWB Beetle Targa. Color of a car Super 9. Limited up to 499 each model. Material made from Diecast. Releasing on November 2023. A Time Micro presents a Volkswagen T1 pickup. Color of the vans are Pink Pig and Silver Pig. Limited up to 999 each color. Material made from Diecast. Releasing on October 2023. And the last model for today's episode is by Zoom Models presents a Nissan Stagea R34. Color of the cars are black carbon, blue carbon and a purple carbon. Limited up to 299 between 499 each units. Material made from Diecast. Releasing on September 2023. So hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.